Hi.
So, did you like the program? Did it?
Yeah, actually I really liked it. I've done a lot of other programs also, but this program was a little different because here it was more focused on the our negative belief system, which is very important to clean, because other programs are some icing on cake.
Yeah.
When something is down beneath stinking, and you are just icing on it. But
Okay.
this is a different. Like this, we tapped on the real problems, or we can say the real negative belief system which the life works. So we were tapping on it, and we were actually I was really shifting that belief system, changing that belief system, and that tapping the whole day, one day was too good. It really had a better impact on me. I was seeing the difference from the first day. No, this negative belief system, which was unknownly in me, which was not, it was there. मतलब चलता है फिर भी अपने को positive करना है. But it was very important to clean it. So that cleaning that was the plus of this whole the course. So that was different I found from the other courses, and as well as the relaxing technique, BRT. That was also good. That according to, well, we are just new to the BRT, but according to sir, that it cleans all negativities, it cleans all fears, it will clean other lot of things also. So that I think so it will happen, and after that we'll program. So that is going to work, because already you're in alpha state, and then when you program the subconscious, you get the results. So it's very simple. That 45 minutes and then 10-15 minutes of your programming of your subconscious mind. That is, I feel it's easy and good.
Okay.
And easy, and you can always take on life. You can practice and life.
What clean during the
Yeah,
process?
actually I had a heights of fear. I had. So now I don't have.
Wow.
I know it's all crap which we in the life journey we take somewhere, pick it up somewhere. But we need to dissolve it, and I dissolved it. I don't have any more. I'm working on still. I'm focusing on my own negative belief system. Where else I do have, which actually maybe I don't know I have, and I'm working on it. My life is going with it, and I may not getting the result which I want.
Okay.
So I'm still finding it out and picking it up and getting solved. And of course I'll take Narendra sir's also support to again changing that negative belief system, and of course BTC is there, BRT is there, and after that you can also reprogram it,
Yes.
change your belief system in BRT, and lead a happy, successful life, which everybody wants to do it.
Yes.
Everybody is getting educated throughout the life for this only.
Yes.
Everybody is working day and night in this competitive world for this only.
Yes.
That when you are just getting in 45 minutes and then 10 minutes, 55 minutes is worth it. Of course, it's worth the course is worth doing it, and the simple thing which the whole course gave is very important. I mean, the very important things are given in a very simple way. That's what I mean. So that 3-4 things are very important in life. Whoever somebody does it very defaultly, they do it and they get success, and here you do it intentionally. So this is the difference.
Okay.
Whatever you want, it's not coincidence. You do it and you do it.
Okay.
So this of course, I am very happy with the course, and I recommend to everybody to do it. So it make a difference in the life. At least we have we have one life at least that we know right now.
Yes.
So we can live it fully.